unit, ellipse. In this unit, you'll get two 4 marks questions. In previous unit parabola, you'll be having one 2 marks and one 7 mark question. Here you'll be having two 4 marks questions. For this, what you have to do is, first of all, you should know what is ellipse. Ellipse means a conic section in which eccentricity is less than 1 is known to be ellipse. That means SP by PM is not equal to 1, is equals to E, or we can say SP is equals to EPM, in which E is less than 1. Same equation for parabola also, SP by PM, but it has a constant distance 1. Here the constant distance will change. Like suppose if you are drawing ellipse, we can have parabolas, we can say two parabola facing one another, and two directrix we have, so we will say that one to be directrices. If two directrix means what we will say, these two are directrices. Next thing is two focus, so that is foci. First one is S, other one is S. This is AE comma 0, so this will be minus AE comma 0, and this longest distance, and this is the shortest distance. So if you are drawing ellipse in this way, so it uses maximum x-axis. This is x-axis, this is origin 0 comma 0. So if it uses maximum distance of x scale, we can say major axis. This distance, suppose this is 0 comma a comma 0, this one is 0 comma a. If we find the distance between this is up to a, this is also a plus a 2a. So major axis will be, major axis is 2a. So what is minor axis then? Minor axis means these 2 points, from this point to this point. This is minor axis. In this minor axis, suppose this is B and B, so minor axis will be 2B. By seeing this ellipse equation, not circle, it is quite, we can say that compressed circle. Elliptical thing are there na, in physics, same thing. When this is, from focus, we have a point P. We can see if we are drawing a point P, and this is M. SP by PM, this value is always equals to E, that means less than 1. So that is definition of ellipse. Now what we have in this major axis, minor axis, foci, don't say foci, foci. Two focus are there, that's why foci, plural form of focus, plus or minus AE comma 0. Next is directrices. Directrix single, two directrices are there. Directrices equals to x is equals to plus or minus a by e. Then equation of this ellipse is x by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. In this we have two cases. First case is a is greater than b. This we are taking a value is greater than b. One more, if I draw ellipse in this form, so this is x-axis and y-axis. Now this is B and B. So maximum distance of y-axis it uses. So major axis is 2B here. Major axis equals to 2B. Minor axis is this one, 2A. Minor axis 2A. Then we have here foci. Foci will be 0 comma plus or minus B. Then directrices. Directrices means one line here and one line here. So directrices are plus or minus B by E. Y is equals to plus or minus B by E. Then similarly we have equation, same equation, x by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. But in this case, b is greater than a. So I have given you, I'll post you formulas. So along with this video, I'll post you formulas so that you can easily remember this. This is major axis. So light problem is there. So Whenever focus and directrix is given to us, we have equation of, see, whenever focus and directrix is given, we can draw one ellipse. Focus is there, directrix is given. So we have to consider a point P on ellipse. Let P is equals to x comma y be a point on ellipse. Equation of ellipse, SP is equals to EPM. SP is equals to distance between S and P. S is a focus which is 1 comma minus 1. P is x comma y. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. SP is equals to x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 1 plus 2y. PM, perpendicular distance from P, light issue, PM is equals to perpendicular distance from P x comma y to the line x plus y plus 2 equals to 0 is equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. A1, x1 is x, b1, y1 is y plus c by root of a square plus b square. So x plus y plus 2 divided by root 2. This is PM. Since equation of ellipse is SP is equals to EPM, implies SP distance formula equals to PM. Square it and simplify this. Okay.